Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rank in Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do once you launch your Power BI is come here and click on modeling. And from here select new measure. Okay. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be ranking for this table basically sales that are the highest for each date, right? So this is my DEX expression and I'll explain to you what's going on here. So this is the name, okay? The name of our field they're going to be using. And we're going to be using the function RANKX. This is the ranking function in DAX. It basically ranks each item in a table based on an expression that you provide. So here, what we're doing, this all selected, we're going to be basically creating the table to rank over. We're going to be removing the filters on the date column, except those that are applied via slicers of visual. So we're going to select everything. So we're going to rank all the dates currently visible in our report or visual. Okay. Now here we have calculate. Basically, we're going to be returning the total gross sales, okay, for each date, right? And this is a comma. Basically, this one is usually optional for the value to compare against. Usually you use this for tie breaking, but we have left this as a comma. Okay, we've left it blank, so it's going to be ignored. And then we have this one. This one is basically descending. Okay, it specifies a ranking order. If you wanted ascending, you would type in ASC. Okay, so I'll leave this one as it is. This is descending order. Basically, the highest sales gets rank 1. And then we have a dense. This is the ranking method. So basically, if two items are ranking for or tying for rank 1, the next rank would be rank 2. It wouldn't jump anything. And then we have skip ranking, where if two items rank for rank 1, they tie, then the next one would be rank 3, right? And then we just close this expression, and I can press enter. And then let's bring this into our table. And let's see. So we'll bring this in. I'll just toggle this one on. Okay, hit that check mark. And now here we go, right? So I can make this into the correct order. As you can see, the highest sales is rank 1 and so on. And let's see, the lowest one is rank 89. And it's really that easy and simple.